Mastering Python File Operations Efficiently. Comprehensive Guide to Opening, Reading, Writing Files in Python. In Python, files opened using the open function. Different modes such as R for reading, W for writing, and A for appending used to specify the file operation. Binary data requires modes like RB, BOB, and AB. Writing data to files in Python is done using the write method. It is crucial to use the correct mode, such as W for writing and A for appending. Note that W mode will overwrite existing content, while A mode adds data to the end. Reading files in Python can be done using read for the entire content or readline for a single line. For binary data, use RB mode. Readlines returns a list of lines, and iterating over the file is useful for large files. The with statement in Python handles file context management automatically. It ensures that files properly closed after operations, eliminating the need for manual close calls and preventing resource leaks. Managing file paths and directories in Python involves using the os and pathlib modules. Objected helps navigate directories, while ospojtwin creates paths. To check if a file exists, use ospokastis. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.